Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Steam trade URL for CSGO, Dota 2, TF2 and other Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where all your gaming information and settings are stored. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the right panel of your screen. You'll notice several options listed there, and one of them is labeled Inventory. Click on Inventory to access all the items you've collected across your Steam games. This is where all your tradable items from CSGO, Dota 2, TF2 and other games are stored and managed. Once your inventory loads, navigate to the upper right panel of the inventory page. Here you'll find an option called Trade Offers. Click on it to access your trade offer settings. This section manages all aspects of trading on Steam, including who can send you trades and how you can share your trade information with others. After clicking on Trade Offers, you'll see a right sidebar appear with additional options. In this sidebar, look for and click on the option that says Who can send me trade offers. This is an important privacy and security setting that controls your trading permissions and access. Clicking this will open up your trade URL settings and preferences. On the page that opens, navigate down to the section labeled Third-Party Sites. This is the specific area where Steam generates your unique trade URL that you can share with trading websites and other platforms. This URL is essential for conducting trades outside of Steam's direct interface, and it's unique to your account for security purposes. Directly below the third-party sites heading, you'll see your trade URL displayed. This is a long string of characters that serves as your personal trading link. To copy it, click on the URL to highlight it completely. Make sure the entire URL is selected from beginning to end. Then right-click on the highlighted text, and from the menu that appears, select Copy. Your trade URL is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be pasted wherever you need it, whether that's on a trading website, in a forum, or shared with another trader. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied your Steam trade URL, which you can now use for trading items in CSGO, Dota 2, TF2, and any other Steam games. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.